Okay, finally made it up here. Look at this, so I can get a good view with my camera. Juarez behind me in the border. Had to do some creative hiking to get all the way the hell up here. And I did it. All to get a bird's eye view. Yeah, I climbed all the way up here and there's a border patrol agent up here and I'm like, I turned the corner and he's standing right there. I'm like, oh shit, what's up? He's like, oh, what are you doing? I'm like, oh, I'm just climbing, trying to get some good footage. He goes, go to the end, take a hard left. I was like, okay, thanks for the advice. So I went all the way up here. But I have a super zoom camera, so I'm gonna try to zoom into Juarez so you guys can see from up here the wall, and then the border patrol agents freaking everywhere. They're all hiding. I can see them from up here. Now I can see what the cartel does. They get up high and they look with their cameras and, oh shit, there's a helicopter. Oh my god. Jesus, good thing I didn't have my drone in the air. Fuck. Yeah, there's a couple of times, not here in Texas, but a couple of times I launched my drone and then a freaking helicopter comes flying by. Last time it happened was in Park City, Utah. Scared the shit out of me. But back to the filming. There's all the border patrol right there. Another one zipping down the fence right somewhere here. Where's he at? Right there. More over here. I gotta keep my camera really steady because it's on super zoom. The other one over there. The other one over there. There's the rendezvous. Taco break right over there. There's Juarez. You notice how there's no paved streets? Like it's all dirt. What are these guys doing? Looking suspicious.